Good morning all, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. In today's video we are going to start on second terms syllabus with chapter 1, that is era of Cold War, which happened in the duration of 1945 to 1991. So without a delay, let's start. So Cold War happened between the two nations, one was USA and USSR. Now what were the circumstances why this Cold War happened? So for that we need to understand the Second World War. Second World War happened between two groups. One group was known as Axis powers and other was known as Allies. Now the Axis powers were the losers of the Second World War and Allies were the winners of the Second World War. As we can see here, the members of Axis powers were Japan, Italy and Germany. They were the losers. We have to remember this. Axis powers countries were Japan, Italy and Germany, and the Allies were France, America, Britain and Soviet Union. So here the winners were France, America, Britain and Soviet Union. So four major nations who won the Second World War, and out of these four nations, America, that is USA, and Soviet Union, which is also known as USSR, were the two major powers. So this Cold War started between these two nations. Now firstly we need to understand what is a Cold War. What is a Cold War? So definition of Cold War is that it is a situation of tension between two nations where each of the country tries to get supremacy over each other. दो कंट्रीज़ के बीच में टेंशन की सिचुएशन है जहाँ पर दोनों कंट्रीज़ ट्राई करती हैं एक दूसरे से सुप्रीम होने के लिए, बड़ा बनने के लिए. तो इस सिचुएशन को कहा जाता है कोल्ड वार. एंड वी नीड टू रिमेंबर वन फैक्ट दैट कोल्ड वार is not a situation of actual war. Here actual war does not exist, just the circumstances or situations happen of war, just like the current scenario between India and China. Actual war is not happening, but a situation of tension is there between the two nations. So this is known as Cold War. Here is the definition of Cold War. It is a political struggle between the democratic and communist nations of the world following World War II. So World War II 1939 to 1945 तक चलती है और 45 से स्टार्ट हो जाती है हमारी कोल्ड वार बिटवीन यूएसए एंड यूएसएसआर. नाउ कोल्ड वार के चलते 1949 में यूएसए अपना एक ग्रुप बना लेता है विच इज़ नोन एज ए मिलिट्री अलायंस नेम्ड एज नेटो, नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. What is the full form of NATO? It is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It is a group, it is a military alliance made by USA, led by USA, and they considered that attack on any one of the nation of NATO will be considered as attack on all of them. मतलब कि नेटो को जितने लोग भी साइन करेंगे, जितनी कंट्रीज़ भी इसके सिग्नेटरी होंगे, तो अगर उनमें से किसी भी नेशन पे अटैक होता है तो इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज एन अटैक ऑन ऑल ऑफ देम. तो वो सभी कंट्रीज़ मिलके उस कंट्री पे अटैक कर देंगे. तो ये एक मिलिट्री अलायंस था. वी नीड टू रिमेंबर नेटो established in 1949 and it was a military alliance led by USA, right? तो जब नेटो बना, नेटो का फॉर्मेशन हुआ 1949 में. हेयर वी कैन सी देयर आर टू ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस एंड देयर आर 29 मेंबर्स. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट नेटो. तो जब नेटो का फॉर्मेशन हो गया तो यूएसएसआर ने भी अपना एक मिलिट्री ग्रुप बनाया विच वाज नोन एज द वॉर्सो पैक्ट. दिस वॉर्सो पैक्ट was also known as Eastern Alliance. Why Eastern Alliance? Because here the countries of Eastern Europe were included, and in the NATO all the countries of Western Europe were included, so it was known as Western Alliance, and Warsaw Pact is known as Eastern Alliance. So this is about NATO and Warsaw Pact. Now one major development happened here. In 1962 a Cuban Missile Crisis happened. Now what was the Cuban Missile Crisis? For that we need to understand the mapping. Here we can see in the world map, this green portion is Russia and this orange is USA. Now in the map you can see that there is a huge distance between Russia and USA. So it is very difficult to target from Russia to USA. So what happens? Here you can see this small group. This is known as this small island like country. This is Cuba. This is Cuba, right? In other map we can see it clearly. See, this is the same island country which is Cuba. Now this Cuba is an ally nation or a friendly nation to USSR. So what happens here, USSR placed its nuclear weapons, nuclear missiles in Cuba, because from here it is very easy to target USA, as you can see in the map. There is a very less distance, so it is very easy to target USA from Cuba. So USSR makes Cuba as its military base. When USA came to know about this, so USA also started targeting USSR. So this entire situation which happened in the year 1962 is known as Cuban Missile Crisis. I hope the things are clear till now. Rest chapter we will discuss in the next video. I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.